I slice the bread. I slice the bread. I prepare lunch in the kitchen. I prepare lunch in the kitchen. I put the dishes in the sink. I put the dishes in the sink. I add pepper to the food. I add pepper to the food. I taste the soup. I taste the soup. Good flavor. I grab a spoon from the drawer. I grab a spoon from the drawer. I rinse the plates. I rinse the plates. I pour milk into a cup. I pour milk into a cup. I take a bowl from the cabinet. I take a bowl from the cabinet. I set the table for breakfast. I set the table for breakfast. I put fruit on the table. I put fruit on the table. I make tea in the kitchen. I make tea in the kitchen. The tea is ready. I cut the tomatoes. I cut the tomatoes. I cook dinner in the kitchen. I cook dinner in the kitchen. I wash the vegetables. I wash the vegetables. I boil water for tea. I boil water for tea. I open the kitchen window. I open the kitchen window. I chop onions. I chop onions. I put food on a plate. I put food on a plate. I drink juice in the kitchen. I drink juice in the kitchen. I make a sandwich. I make a sandwich. I warm the soup. I warm the soup. I take milk from the fridge. I take milk from the fridge. I close the cupboard. I close the cupboard. I place the pan on the stove. I place the pan on the stove. I turn on the kitchen light. I turn on the kitchen light. I clean the counter. I clean the counter. I fill a glass with water. I fill a glass with water. I mix the salad. I mix the salad. Don't forget to like, comment, and share to support the channel. Like, comment, and share.